Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope all are you fine. So today we are going to start chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. We have already started this coordinate geometry. Okay. So basically here three concepts are available: the concepts of distance formula, the concept of section formula, and the concept of area of triangle. So we have already discussed, or we have already done some problems about the distance formula and using the section formula. So again I am writing here just the formula. So suppose 2 points are given in any two-dimensional plane. Suppose x1, y1, and this one x2, y2. Then the distance between these 2 points, say this one A and B. So what is the formula? That AB equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus that will be y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula, distance between 2 points. Now next concept is section formula. So section formula means, suppose we are going to divide a line segment in a ratio m:n, then what is the coordinate of the point? So suppose this is the line segment AB is given. Okay, now we are going to divide this line segment AB in a ratio, suppose m:n. Internally, here internally is important because these P points every time it will be inside the line segment joining A and B. So the ratio is given. Suppose this length is m and this length is n. So what is the coordinate of the point? Directly we can use the section formula. The section formula like this: the coordinate of P mx2, that is the formula only, you should remember this formula, nx1 by m plus n, and my2 plus my1 by m plus n. Okay, how to remember this formula? Just you see, this is the abscissa and this is the ordinate. If you remember the abscissa, ordinate is the same expression for the y1. You see, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Same expression in place of x1 and x2. Here you have to write y1 and y2. So as it is a coordinate of point, that's why you have to give here one comma and it should be inside the first bracket. So you must put the bracket. Okay, as it is a coordinate. Okay, so next, the area of triangle. Okay, so as we know, the triangle is a closed figure which has the 3 sides, and the sides is always the straight line, not a curve. Okay, so if 3 points are given, then we can draw one triangle, but there should be some conditions whether the points are collinear or not. If they are not collinear, then we can draw one triangle. If they are collinear, then there will be no triangle. So suppose 3 points ABC are given, ABC. These 3 points are given, say A, B, C. The coordinate of A is x1, y1. Coordinate of B is x2, y2. Coordinate of C is x3, y3. Okay, now what is the area of this triangle? So see here, the direct formula you can write area of triangle ABC half here third bracket, then x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 and plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, so you are thinking that this is a big formula and lengthy formula. No, students. How to remember the formula? There is a technique. It's very easy technique. Once you see here, this is a circle. It is a cyclicity order. Suppose this one x1, this one say x2, and this one say x3. Okay, I'm writing here x1, x2, x3. Now how to remember the formula? So first concept, you see in the bracket portion, only the difference between two ordinate, and the outside bracket portion is the abscissa, abscissa, abscissa. So I have written here only the abscissa all. So here you see x1 if you write here, so inside bracket difference between two ordinate. So which two ordinate will come? You have already written here x1, so it will come 2 and 3. No, so this will be y2, this will be y3. And again you have to go this way, anti-clockwise. So if you write x2, then it will be y3 minus y1. If you write x3, then y1 minus y2. Actually, 1 is followed by 2, 2 is followed by 3, 3 is followed by 1. You see 1, 1, 2, 3, then 2, x2, this will be 3, sorry. 2, 3, 1, and then 3, 1, 2. Okay, that means 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. You see 1 is followed by 2 is followed by 3. 1, 2, 3, then 1 you write here, 1, that is 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Then again you write here, that will be 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So both the methods are correct. Now you see how to remember. The main thing that you should remember that formula. How to remember it is depend on you. Okay, I have remembered like this way, that is different way. If you think any other easy process is there, then you remember that way. Ultimately you have to remember the formula, because in maths if you not remember the formula, then you can't use the formula to solve some problem. First you should remember the formula, then you have to solve the problem. Okay, so now I'm going to solve two problems using this area of triangles formula. Okay, so taking this exercise, this 7.3. okay, 7.3 is a 2 number. Okay, I will not write here the question, as you have the textbook, so open it and then you see exercise 7.3, 2 number. There are 2 sub questions, Roman 1, Roman 2. For each question, each sub question, you have to find out the value of t. Now what is given here? The 3 points are collinear. Okay, I am taking the example number Roman 2. Roman 2 I am taking. The 3 points are given. You see 8, 1, and then k minus 4, and next one is 2, minus 5. Okay, so what is given in the question? These 3 points are collinear. As I told few minutes ago that if 3 points are collinear, they should lie on a line. If these 3 points lie on a line, then there will be no triangle. That means area of triangle equal to 0. So directly if you write according to our question, area of triangle equal to 0. So write this one is half. Okay, students, remember here the order you should remember. Which points you have to take? x1, y1, which one is x2, y2, which one is x3, y3. So my opinion is that as it is given in the first point, so you take this one is the x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. And remember, it is not the fix. If you take this one x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, then you will get the same answer. But you should remember which one you have taken, x1, y1, x2, y2, okay, x3, y3. So x1, abscissa, I have written. So difference between other two coordinates. So minus 4, it will be plus 5. And then formula plus 1, then k, okay, minus 5, minus 1, plus 2, 2, then 1 minus plus 4. Okay, so this is given as 0. So as it is equality, so you should put here implies by cross multiplying 2, 0 to 0. So here you see 8, this will be 8, okay, 8, and then this will be minus 6k, and then here plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, no. So minus 6k, here 18 will be 0, and then minus 6k, here minus 18, both side minus minus can cut. So sorry, this one is k equal to 18 by 6, this ultimately will be 3. Therefore the value of k is 3. Okay, the value of k is 3. That means if you put here 3, then these 3 points are collinear. Using that 3 point, we will not get the triangle. Okay, understood? I think it is very clear. No confusion. Okay. Okay. So next I am taking next one example, one example I am taking from this exercise only. Others are very easy problem. You can solve at your home. Yes. So I am taking a 4 number example. This is a good example only. You see, one quadrilateral is given. There are 4 vertices are given also. So I am drawing here one quadrilateral. It is any quadrilateral. Okay, any one quadrilateral I am drawing here. Okay. Suppose this one A, B, C, and D. Okay. You see here the coordinates are given. No, minus 4, minus 2. That is minus 4, minus 2. Okay. And then minus 3, minus 5. And then 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. And then this one is 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay. So now you see, we have to find out the area of this quadrilateral. Okay. So for which we have to join any of these two diagonals. Okay. So either BD or AC. I have joined BD. So separately we have to find out the area of triangle by using the formula. Then we have to join it. We will get the area of full triangle. Okay. So what is the area of triangle? That ABD. If we use the formula, then half of third bracket, that is the x1, y2 minus y3, that is minus 5 minus 3 plus minus, it will be minus 3, then 3 minus plus 2. This way I am going. Then plus 2, then minus 2 plus 5. This is the area of the triangle. Okay. So minus 8, 32, and then this will be minus 15, and then this will be plus 6. Okay. So half of that is 38 minus 15 by, okay, 38 minus, that is 23 by 2. I am writing here a square unit. As it is area, so you write it down. Unit is not given, but you write it down here, square unit. Okay. So another one. Okay. Again I am writing here that. Okay, I am finding that another one. Okay. So another one, the area of triangle, that which one? BCD I am. Okay. So what will be the area of triangle? This BCD. Okay. So half of this one is x1, x1 minus 2 minus 3 plus 3, 3 is the x2, y3 minus y1, that means 3 plus 5, and then plus 2 minus 5 plus 2, that is the formula. So half of, what is the value of this one? Minus 2 minus 5, that is plus 15, and then plus 24, it is minus 6. Okay, so 39 minus 6 by 2, that will be 33 by 2 square unit. Okay, so this one and this one are the separately area of these two triangles. Now to get the full area, we have to join it. Now area of that ABCD equals to 23 by 2 plus 33 by 2. Who is the LCM? 23, that is 56. If we cut, then 28 square unit is the answer. Okay, so students, I think you understood how to use this formula for area of triangle. It is very clear. So other problem are there, that 5 number problem and 1 number problem. Now you see some question paper and some other textbook also, NCERT exemplar. Then you find out such type of problems and try to solve it. Okay, thank you for watching.